Why am I even trying? I don't look good at all. Ugh, I might as well just sleep. Wait a minute. I know exactly what to do. I can do online dating. Let me just go find someone. Oh my gosh, I'm going out with the cutest boy ever. Oh my gosh, I have to get dressed and ready and take a shower and it'll be perfect. This is the best day of my life. What to wear? I know, I should wear the outfit I wore yesterday. I hope I look good. Now, I wonder where he wanted me to meet him. Ugh, I'm so worried. Oh, this is the address he told me to go to. It looks like it's his den. Wow.
Hey.
Hi.
It's nice to meet you and not have to text all the time.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. You look, really nice.
Wow, you look stunning too.
Thanks. So where will we eat?
I was thinking the Juicy Hut, but it's very crowded there, so I guess
we could sit at your table.
Okay. My house isn't very set up, but can we eat at yours?
Sure. I'll meet you there.
Okay.
I'm so nervous. Oh, hi. You can sit at my table. I got some popcorn.
Oh, thank you. So, what do you like to do?
Well, actually, I'm kind of a designer. I like to design some clothes, but that's it.
That's really nice. I'm more of a sporty wolf.
Cool. Well, it was super nice meeting you.
Years later, they got together, and she finally found love.
La 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 la.